In this video, I'll explain how to sign up for Bybit on a computer. Click See More at the bottom of the video you're watching to find a link to sign up for Bybit. If you sign up using that link, you'll immediately receive the commission payback benefit, so please sign up using that link. I'll sign up using my email address. Enter your email address or phone number, then create a password. Create a password that's between 8 and 30 characters long, including at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number, based on the criteria below. Make sure the checkbox is checked, then click the yellow button below. A verification code will be sent to the email address or phone number you entered. Enter the verification code in the Bybit field to complete your registration. Now, let's verify your identity. Click the yellow Get Verified Now button in the center of the screen. Select the country you currently reside in. Check the checkbox below and click Confirm. Click Verify in the center. You'll see 4 options and 2 additional buttons below. Click the bottom left button to proceed with the process on your phone. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen or install the Bybit app from the App Store or Play Store. Then launch it. Log in with your registered information. Click the yellow Verify Now in the center and then the yellow Verify button at the bottom. Set your nationality and prepare your ID to verify your identity. You can use your ID, driver's license, passport, or residence permit. Since your residence permit is used for foreigners, I'll choose one of the 3, click Confirm, and allow camera access. A guide will appear. Take a clear photo. It states that an already verified ID cannot be used and that minors under 18 cannot proceed with verification. After confirming, click Continue to take a photo of your ID. Please take a photo of both the front and back. Next, we'll take a photo of your face. Place your face within the circle that appears on the screen to complete the process. The verification process will now proceed based on the authenticated data and will be completed within 5 minutes. Next, let's proceed with 2-step verification. Hover over the person icon on the right and select Account. Click Security on the left and you'll see Google 2-step verification listed as the 4th option. Click Settings on the right to begin. A verification code will be sent to the email or phone number you registered when signing up. Once you verified the verification code and entered it into the blank field, a QR code and verification key will appear. I'll copy this verification key. Now, I'll search for the Google OTP app in the App Store or Play Store and install it. Log in with your Google account. Select Add Code in the middle and select Enter Configuration Key. You can choose any account name, but it's easier to remember if it's related to Bybit. Paste the copied key into the My Key field at the bottom and click Add. If a 6-digit number appears as shown on the screen, your OTP code registration was successful. Enter the 6-digit number into Bybit before the timer runs out on the right, then click Confirm. You will then see that Google 2-factor authentication has been activated. This explains how to sign up for Bybit from a computer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you!